So you wrangle your bike out of a chilly winter storage only to find it sounds tired. So you head to the internet, type in your year, make, model, plus battery, and bam! You find a too cheap to be true battery from a respected big box store. But can it be any good? Today I'll be giving you my honest review of my experience with the Mighty Max battery model YT12B-4 in my 2007 Yamaha FZ6. I've had this battery for the last year. Basically, I put it in at the beginning of the season, I've used it for 7 months, and then it sat for 6 weeks. Priced at 64 Canadian dollars plus $7 shipping to a Walmart near you, this AGM spill-proof battery becomes charged and ready to use. The Mighty Max ticks all the boxes. It's dimensionally accurate, the terminals are in the right spot, and it cranks and starts the bike no problem. The oddities begin when you put a multimeter on it. Now, this is my battery after 7 months of regular use in my FZ6 and then a subsequent 6 weeks of just completely being untouched in storage. We can see the battery holding 12.36 volts, which is rather typical after being neglected. When I received the battery though, I noticed it was charged to 13.5 volts. Well beyond the range for a battery of these materials, but I threw caution to the wind and just chucked it in. As you would expect from 13.5 volts, the bike cranks quick and starts with no problem. This thing appears to have all the juice and then some. Not holding a material science degree and not wanting to crack open my perfectly good battery has me speculating about why it would hold such a high voltage. I speculate Mighty Max has a trick up their sleeve to edge out the other bargain basement competition in this sector. I theorize that the trick is either an extra cell in what is typically a 6-cell battery, or some trickery with the chemistry to increase the voltage that this battery holds. Although they have a schematic on their website that shows the battery has 6 cells, I wouldn't rule out the possibility of a 7th cell being in here just by the way it acted brand new. I'm making this video because in the process of calling my local motorcycle shops to see who had a battery, I was told that A, the battery my local shop had would cost $220 after tax for a quality Yuasa battery, and B, I was warned to not buy a cheap Chinese battery because they're made of trash materials and weighed half as much. But the Mighty Max battery weighs 7.2 pounds while the quality Yuasa weighs 7.5, so not much of a difference there to speak about. The reputation of Chinese no-name batteries obviously isn't good, but my experience has been favorable. I'm a rather frugal guy, and the way I see it is that if I can get 2 seasons out of a Mighty Max battery, I'm better off than buying a $200 Yuasa or Odyssey battery and replacing that every 4 years. I still come out ahead with the Mighty Max battery every 2 years. Still though, my experience over the last year has me confident that the Mighty Max battery will go the distance and last the test of time, with proper battery maintenance over the winter as you would with any battery. I know battery reliability is crucial for most people, but I've never been unable to start my FZ6 with a bump start, even with a very dead battery.
Push, give it a bump start. And
Mighty Max offers a 1-year warranty on defects and material flaws, and if you buy it from Walmart, you get a 30-day period where you can return it without any battery testing required. After the first 30 days of purchase, Mighty Max requires that you have the battery tested by one of their retailers, which can be done for free. I gotta give props to Mighty Max though, because they lay out their return policy very clearly on their website. Meanwhile, the likes of Yuasa put the onus on the distributors to deal with warranty claims. If this is true, and Mighty Max can produce very comparable results to a brand name battery, then I would risk to say that Mighty Max is selling a very similar battery at a lower cost because they have less overhead, due to a lack of branding and marketing, and they're likely having their products produced overseas and then distributed by big box stores locally, which lowers their production and distribution costs. But what you want to know, would I recommend you the Mighty Max battery? Well, yes, I would. If you're a biker on a budget, I would recommend you pick up a Mighty Max battery at your local Walmart so that you have that 30-day period where if you get a dud, you can return it. On the flip side, no. If shelling out $200 doesn't hurt your wallet, then buy the branded battery. I put this out there because in the past I've paid more than I did for the Mighty Max battery and had worse performance and longevity. This doesn't mean that Mighty Max is superior in every way, I just think it's great value for the money. Thanks for watching everybody. If this video helped you out, please smash the like and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a good day.